Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2014 Honda CB500F. Lightweight twin cylinder, fuel injected, liquid cooled. This bike is in beautiful shape, great commuter screen on it with a Puig windscreen and the adjustable laminar lip. Come on by, make your lightweight sport bike dreams come true with this beautiful Honda. Satin black finish. We have financing. We have extended warranties. Only $49.99. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.